Need to change your phone number on WhatsApp but not sure how? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to update your phone number on WhatsApp. So let's dive in. Open WhatsApp. Tap on the three-dot icon on the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Select Account. Tap on Change Number. And after that, press on Next. After that, type your current WhatsApp account number and then go to the next input bar. Type a new account number and next, WhatsApp will send you SMS to your new phone number with a 6-digit code. Verify the phone number using this code. Now your WhatsApp phone number has been changed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your phone number on WhatsApp without losing any of your chats or media. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.